Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy3D Arkema 3D printing digital platform. This video will provide the information you need to use the platform. With Easy3D, you can order parts made with the best material for your needs. To get started, first you will need to create your account. Simply click on Sign Up, enter your email address, and accept the terms and conditions. Then you will receive an email to confirm your account. If you don't see your confirmation email, check your spam folder. Once you receive your confirmation email, follow the link, set a password, and enter the requested information. Once your account is verified and you've logged in, you will automatically land in the material selector, also called AMP panel, which stands for AM Part Identifier. You will notice in the Arkema platform that there are two different panels. The first one is for material selection, where you will be able to upload your part and find the best suited materials, and the second panel is for order management, where you will be able to check your orders and communicate with the chosen service provider. It's important to know how to navigate between the two. If you are in the material selection or AMP panel and you want to go to the order management panel, you can either click on the quick link in the left section, Go to Order Management, or click on the little arrow on the bottom left section and click on User Panel. If you are in the Order Management panel and you want to go back to the material selection, you can click on the quick link Go to Material Selection, or click on the little arrow on the bottom left and click on AMP. Now that you are in the Material Selector panel, you can check that in the bottom left under your name, click on Add Part and upload your 3D part file. From there, you can fill in part information, add mechanical requirements, and any other criteria you may want to include. Once you've input all of your part information, click Create. Once your part is created, you can view the report and part details in the part overview. Just to note, you might need to refresh the page to see the reports. From the part overview, you will see three tables. The first table includes a recommended material family, which gives a short description and assets of the material family. The next table shows the top materials ranked by performance scores based on properties you input about the part. The performance score signifies which materials are the best match for your part. Finally, the property breakdown table compares how suggested materials match your filled material properties. For more information on a specific material, click on the material name to view its data sheet. If you have questions about a particular material, you can leave a comment from within the part overview to contact an Arkema representative. Alternatively, you can contact an Arkema expert via email by clicking on Contact Arkema Expert in the quick links in the left tab. Also, if you'd like more accurate material suggestions, check the part information completeness score to ensure you've included enough information about your part. Once you're ready to move on, click Add to Basket and then select Add. From the basket view, your material selection will automatically apply to the part. If there is more than one material with top scores, you can select the specific material according to your preferences. Here, you can also view the part price and select the supplier you'd like to produce the part. Once the supplier is selected, include any post-processing requests if required for your part. You can also add attachments that your selected supplier can view. Once you're done, click Save. From here, you can go directly to Checkout, go to Requests if you have a specific demand you'd like the supplier to fulfill, or save the order as a quote. If you're ready to place your order, click on Checkout and fill in your shipping and payment details. And then click Place Order. Your order has now been submitted. To view orders, quotes, and requests, navigate to the coordinating overviews via the left navigation panel. If you'd like to contact the supplier, click on a part, add a comment, and select Post. Well done! You've now completed your first part order. If you'd like to order another part or return to the material recommendations overview, you can resume your journey by navigating to the AMPI panel.